What do a private island in Sumba, a game reserve in Bandung, and an elegant country estate in the mountains of Amman have in common? Well, they are all home to luxurious all-inclusive resorts. Inclusive resorts, yo. Expensive resorts in the world offer excellent value with everything, even activities included. Well, many people love nature, hospitality, traveling alone or with families. Well, when you love someone, definitely you want to show the beauty of the world. Fresh, cold iced tea and mineral water are cheap, 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 cheap. But beautiful nature is expensive. It's a fitting location considering the resort's philosophy is the edge of wildness. The resort's nestled within a nature reserve and more than 2.5 kilometers of white sand beach beckons beneath the cliffs below, with fantastic surfing, fishing and snorkeling. You won't find TVs here, just cool ocean breezes, island adventures, warm and friendly stuff, and glorious sea views. Delicious food. Everybody needs a holiday. Run away from daily itinerary. Beautiful place to hide away. Then beautiful place is expensive. Don't exploit the world too much. A beautiful unpolluted ecosystem is a beautiful place for holiday. Have you booked your itinerary? Whether this resort lie in Kupang or wherever in this globe, they all offer personal service, pampering touches, and all-inclusive rates, so we can leave our worries at home. Well, I used to live a life surrounded by beautiful nature and get bored cause financial pressure and global warming also take effect, and war in other part of the world, so I cannot leave my worries at home. Also, many people say in the big city is a great place to find money and happiness. We could buy everything then.